Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, robbed clean. A family home in Irwin, St. James has been ransacked after the family was not able to access the property because of works underway for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project.
They're now counting their losses, and they were also left stunned when they visited the property on Tuesday.
Ramada Lyons reports.
A tractor rumbles across the landscape in St. James, part of works for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. Mounds of dirt, rocks and gravel scooped and dumped elsewhere, and it's almost as though the same thing happened inside this house.
You can try me to stand up. There's no tile on the ground that we can stand up on. Watch out. Watch out. The table in there, so where the TV went upon. Gone. Look for the chandelier. Then broke off, then take off the shade them off it.
But it wasn't done by the blades of a tractor. Instead, the hands of thieves. 2 years ago, Gary Palmer was told he needed to relocate because of the works underway. He says the family was promised money for the property which belonged to his mother. They opted to leave the furniture and other personal items until the full amount was paid. As works continued, access to the property became increasingly difficult. This was Mr. Palmer 3 weeks ago.
I can't access the house, none at all. We have things in the house, I can't access the house, none at all. What if somebody vandalized the house? Who is going to compensate me?
His what if has become a reality. Thieves flowed freely through the property.
Then they take out the air conditioner out the window, right? Look at my place, so then all ransack it. Then throw everything out of it. Everything. Me have some new sheet. Me have some new sheet in I bar them. 2 barrel gone out of this room.
In the kitchen.
Right, that's some stove in there. The stove in there right, that's all. Our fridge was right here. The cabinet dig off of the wall. See the impression of where the cabinets were? Dig off of the wall. Right? Every pot and pan on the bottom gone.
1 bedroom.
Thief, every music box, every sound system going up on that table there, so gone. The whole life sound system that's gone. They left that just there. Everything come out of the room. Yeah. Then tear down the bathroom. Right? Tear down the bathroom and then I cover. See the bathroom? Yeah?
His sister immediately saw the point of entry.
Surprisingly, there was no door on the place. And we realized that the house was open.
Ms. Palmer says a representative from the National Road Operating and Constructing Company Limited, NROC, called and told the family it seemed as though the property was vandalized, but seeing was believing.
Here you can see where they have dug out the lock from the building. They subsequently took off the hinges off the door.
As she went further, ruin.
They came inside and just look. I don't have to explain any further. Look at the floor. Look at the floor. Totally ransacked. Totally. Here was a dining area, an extra dining area with a refrigerator, a dining table, a freezer right here. Right? A barrel over there with some stuff in it, and everything was packed up there. And nothing is here. I didn't move anything, I didn't touch anything. Nothing is here.
As they continued, they counted losses.
Look on the veranda. Over there, so when I sit here, when the tables went there, so the things them on it. Look on the veranda.
The family is now left wondering if they'll be compensated for the items stolen. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.